Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for regular notifications.
So this question is from NEET 2018 paper from the chapter Gravitation. The kinetic energies of a planet in an elliptical orbit about Sun at position A, B and C are Ka, Kb and Kc. AC is the major axis and SB is perpendicular to AC. So this is the major axis and SB is perpendicular to AC at the position of Sun as shown in figure. Okay, and you have to compare the kinetic energy at position A, B and C. Now as we know, the farthest position in an elliptical orbit is called aphelion. So this is aphelion, and the nearest position is called perihelion. Okay, so this is the nearest position and this is the farthest position. Okay, now in an elliptical orbit, when a planet is moving in an elliptical orbit, the angular momentum is conserved. Okay, so angular momentum is conserved means mvr, this is the angular momentum, it is a constant. Okay, now mass of the planet is already constant, so product of v and r, it is a constant. So if r is less, v will be more. So r is least in case of position A. Okay, so that means at A the speed will be highest and at C the speed will be lowest, and B it will be in between these two values. So obviously, so we can conclude that VA, it is greater than VB is greater than VC. Speed at A is greater than speed at B, and which is greater than speed at C. So speed at C is minimum. So since speeds are at this relation, they follow this relation, so we can say that kinetic energy at A, it will be greater than kinetic energy at B, and it will be greater than kinetic energy at C. Okay, so from among the given option 2 is the correct answer.